Your body has an incredible ability to fight back, and your kitchen is the first place to start. Today, we are hunting down the top 10 proven scientifically anti-cancer foods. What powerful nutrients each one carries, and exactly how it will help to protect your cells. Now, let's go. Number 10 in our list is whole grains. Brown rice, oats, millet, and whole wheat are packed with fiber and phenolic acid. Fiber speeds up our digestion and binds to carcinogens in the gut, reducing the risk of colorectal cancer. Number 9 in our list, leafy greens, spinach, kale, and bitter leaf are rich in folate and carotenes. Folate repairs your DNA, and carotenes act as antioxidants, shielding cells from damage that can lead to cancer. Number 8 in our list is garlic. Garlic contains what we call allicin, which release when you chop or crush it. Allicin detoxifies cancer-causing substances and slows down the growth of cancer cells. Number 7 in our list is berries. Blueberries, strawberries are full of anthocyanins and ellagic acid. This compound reduces oxidative stress and stop new blood vessels from feeding tumors. Number 6 in our list, fatty fish, salmon, mackerel, and sardines give you omega-3, fatty acid, and vitamin D. Omega-3 calm inflammation, and vitamin D helps regulate cell growth, so cancer cannot multiply easily. Now, number 5 in our list is mushrooms. Edible mushrooms like shiitake and button mushroom contains beta-glucans. This special fiber wake up your immune system, helping your body find and destroy abnormal cells before they grow. Now, number 4 in our list is turmeric. Turmeric carries curcumin, one of nature's strongest anti-inflammatory compounds. Curcumin blocks the signals cancer cells use to grow and spread. Always add a pinch of black pepper to help your body absorb it. Now, number 3 in our list is green tea. Green tea is loaded with EGCH, a powerful catechin. EGCH targets cancer cells directly and limits the formation of new blood vessels that tumors need to survive. Now, number 2 in our list is tomatoes. Tomatoes, you hear me right. Tomatoes contains what we call lycopene, especially when cooked. Lycopene is a potent antioxidant that protects your cells from free radical damage and is strongly linked to a lower risk of prostate and breast cancer. Now, number 1, the final one, is broccoli, and this one is a cruciferous vegetables contains sulforaphane. This remarkable compound activates your body's natural detox enzymes and directly kill cancer stem cells. Sulforaphane is scientifically proven to reduce the risk of several cancers. Eat broccoli lightly, steamed or fried to get the most benefit. Now, these 10 foods are not a cure. They are just daily armor. Adding them to your plate steadily strengthens your body's defense. Now, if this gave you hope, drop a heart and the word fight in the comments. Subscribe to Nature's Pharmacy 042 and